today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send large files through Google Drive. If you've ever tried to attach a big video, a batch of photos, or a hefty PDF to an email, you've probably hit Gmail's size limit. The easiest way around that is to send the file through Google Drive directly from Gmail, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign in. Once you're in your inbox, click the Compose button to start a new message. A small window will open where you can add the recipient, write your subject, and type your message. You can do that now so everything is ready before you attach the file. Instead of clicking the paperclip, look for the Google Drive triangle icon along the bottom toolbar of the Compose window. Click that. This opens the Google Drive file picker. Here's where you can upload your large file from your computer or pick something that's already in your drive. If the file is on your computer, go to the Upload tab in the picker, then choose Select Files from your device. Find your file, select it, and confirm. You'll see an upload progress bar. Let it finish before you move on. Larger files can take a while depending on your internet speed, so it helps to keep this tab open and avoid putting your computer to sleep. If your file is already stored in your drive, simply choose it from the My Drive or Recent sections. Once the file is uploaded or selected, click Insert. Gmail will automatically insert it into your email. For big files, Gmail usually adds it as a Google Drive link instead of a traditional attachment, which is exactly what we want. You'll see the file listed in the Compose window, so you know it's attached. Now you're ready to send. Double check the recipient's email address and your message, then click Send. If the person you're emailing doesn't already have access to that file, Gmail will prompt you to adjust sharing. Just confirm the suggested option so your recipient can view or download the file and the email will go out. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Give your file a clear name before uploading so your recipient knows what they're getting. Keep the Gmail tab open until the upload completes. And if you're on a slow connection, consider compressing the file first to reduce size, even though Drive can handle large uploads. That's it. You've successfully sent a large file through Google Drive using Gmail.